मेरा फोन है।
So, good morning all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today's
आज
class is
तो
about all the 3
Good
chapters of
morning, ma'am.
practice book. We will take a quick
हाँ
glance
बोलो।
over that. Okay. So,
किस किसका?
please don't talk
मेरा
unnecessarily.
नहीं।
Otherwise, I will have to mute you all of you, and you will not be
मजाक
able
नहीं।
to answer. First of all, our first chapter
आखिर में
is
ना
there. Article.
हम शुरू से तो नहीं कर रहे थे।
Okay. So, article, I think I would mute you so that you should not be able to make the sound. Just
Morning, ma'am.
answer in chat. Okay. Here it is. We use indefinite articles for one of a type, but not one in particular. Suppose if we were given dash small, we can't put a small over there. But if it is followed with some noun, just like small boat, then we will write a small boat because boat is here limited, it is singular. Just like this, if we are given interesting, we don't have to write an just before that. जब उसके बाद story और any noun होगा उसके बाद, then we will use an interesting story. Again here, we use a with nouns or adjectives beginning with consonants. You all know it. Next is nouns or adjectives beginning vowels that make consonant sounds. I have told you several times you will have to follow the initial sound, whether it is consonant sound or vowel sound. If it is vowel sound, only we will then put there an. Okay. Next is nouns or adjectives beginning with vowels. Nouns or adjectives beginning with silent consonants. Silent consonants. Can anyone give an answer? An example? The word beginning with silent consonant.
Hour.
Honest. Silent.
Very good.
Honest.
Honest. Very good. So,
University.
next is here. Look at here. Some examples. Elephant. A uniform. Again here. See here. Here U has been given in the beginning of uniform. Even then we have used A here. Why have we have not used an?
Because the initial sound of you.
All the newcomers, new attendants or new students, listen here. Why we have put A over here? Because the pronunciation of the initial
sound of you is
sound
you.
is not the pronunciation of vowel. It is not a vowel sound. What is the vowel sound of you? Oh.
Y-double-O.
No, what is the vowel sound of you? You का vowel sound क्या होगा?
Ma'am,
Oh.
umbrella.
Yes, very good. That's just like umbrella. Then we will put an over there. O. O is the vowel sound of you. But here it is the sound of consonant. And which consonant sounds here?
Y-double-O.
Y. Y is Y sound is here. Y-double-O-U. Uniform. That's why. Animal, this is right. N-R. Yahan, here you are looking, here H is the consonant, but it is silent. We are not reading H. We are reading O. And O is here is the sound is vowel sound. So, we will use N over here. Now we use the for one specific thing, unique thing, one particular thing. One particular thing. I saw a man. The man was very cruel. Here repeated words. Here again we use the. I am going to give you one example for this word, one specific thing, particularize, when we particularize something. The man with green shirt is coming to me. The man is coming to me. Then you will look here and there which man is coming to me. But when I will say the man with green shirt is coming to me, you will just look at the man with green shirt. Okay, next is two or more things. It means with plural. Divyansh, I can unmute you, but whenever I unmute all the children, they make unnecessary sounds. Okay? I want you to answer in the question. That's why I unmute you. Okay. Unmute yourself. Divyansh, unmute yourself. Then superlatives. The come with superlatives. Can anyone give the example? Superlative. Kumar Abhishek, very good. You have answered.
Best.
The best player
The
of the
best.
team.
Kumar Abhishek has answered the largest. Very good.
Important.
Third degree of adjective, that is superlative degree. Most important.
Superlative
The
degree.
most important. Okay. So third degree of adjective के पहले the आता है. Then uncountable nouns. The nouns which can't be counted. Before that we will use the. Okay. Again here, for example, I can't find the email you sent me yesterday. This is specific thing. This is the example of specific thing.
One specific
If,
Yes, ma'am.
if this I can't find the email. Which email? You sent me yesterday.
Salt.
Here it is mentioned. Which email? You sent me yesterday. That is that particular email.
I cannot count the pinch of salt. Who are the people who are taking
Particular thing. I can't find the email. अगर you sent me yesterday नहीं दिया होता, then we would have written I can't find an email. But here it is written you sent me yesterday. मतलब बताया गया है कि that particular email I can't find which you sent me yesterday. Next is who are dash people you were talking to. Who are the people you were talking to. Okay, people stands for the plural. She is, what has been written?
She is the tallest person in
The tallest. Why the has come before tallest?
Because
Superlative degree.
tallest is a superlative
Adjective.
degree.
Superlative
Tallest
degree.
is a superlative
This is
degree.
the superlative degree. Next is
Degree.
what is the time. Why the has come here?
Uncountable.
Uncountable nouns. Very good. Very good. Very good, children. Next is we use the with nouns and adjectives beginning with both vowels and consonants. The comes with vowels also and consonants also. Okay, but the pronunciation of the vowel sound changes. Okay, before a vowel, for example, the apples. Before a consonant, the big house. Okay. Now here. Now you will have to answer. Question is over here. Complete the sentence with a, an or the. Bolo. Pehla bolo.
First is the.
The. Why the has come here?
I gave the money. I gave you.
The money. This is collective noun and it is not singular. Okay. Next is I will be there in
Anna.
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 I will give you these all worksheets. Try to do it. Practice करोगे ना घर पे? मैं भेज दूंगी आपको. Okay. Next is the restaurant makes
The best food.
why the
In town.
why the has come? The क्यों आया यहाँ पे? The best food.
The best is superlative
Very
degree.
good. This is superlative degree.
Superlative degree.
Next again, It was dash good film.
wasn't. It was not. It wasn't.
Save good flame. A.
Good.
A good film. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. Next. We are buying
A good A new car.
a new car. We are buying a new car. Next is Simon saw dash elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant at the zoo. Next, I am reading.
saw an elephant at the zoo.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good.
A good book. I'm reading a good book.
A good book. Very good.
I'm reading a good book.
Swift car.
Do you drive?
Expensive.
An expensive car.
An expensive car. Very good.
Expensive car.
Again. हाँ, ये तो कर लिया हमने. We have done this. Okay.
Where is the money
So
I gave you? Where is the money I gave you?
again here, it was
It's an easy exam.
an easy exam. Next, this is the best book I have ever read.
This is the best book.
Next,
The best book.
would you like?
Would you like
You like a cup of tea.
A cup of
cup
tea.
of tea?
एक cup chai. Okay, a cup of tea. Next, dash oranges.
An orange.
No, N is the wrong answer because this is plural.
The.
Very good.
The
Very good.
For the actual spelling.
If orange, अगर orange singular होता तब N आता. Next,
Common noun.
we saw
The orange.
dash excellent film last night.
Excellent film.
An excellent film नहीं होता बेटा, film होता है, film. Next is, can you lend me? Euro है ये. See the initial sound. Listen to the initial sound.
Because initial sound of E is U.
Euro. This is euro.
And euro.
The sound. Sound देख सुनो क्या है इसका. Euro. What do you put before euro?
Y sound.
A euro. Because
Very good. A euro. Because this is the sound of Y here.
no initial sound.
A euro.
It sounds like Y.
Very good. Okay. So first chapter we
Sounds
have
like
completed.
Y
I think
euro.
you all would have understood. Next.
Part subject predicate.
Now come to the next topic, subject and predicate. That is, sentence has two parts, subject and predicate.
Predicate.
I'm just checking your knowledge whether you have understood all the chapters or not. So, subject and predicate. When we make a sentence, we name some person or thing. Is it okay? जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो it would be about a person or a thing, or that person or a thing say something about, and the whole of the sentences, the rest of the sentences say something about that person or thing. Okay, so now come next. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about. We must say or predicate something about the subject. So you all know the meaning, what is subject and what is predicate? Is it clear to you? Subject and predicate. Should I
subject and
tell
predicate
you
are
the
a part of
subject and predicate?
part of sentence which names the person of which name the person or thing we are speaking about is called this subject.
Okay.
Raju is done In this sentence,
person or in a sentence about
Very
which
good.
we talk is called subject and the rest is called
Now,
predicate.
here it has been given. I will शोर बहुत हो रहा है. That's why what I would do, I will explain you and you will yourself decide कि आपका सही है या गलत है. Here, separate the subject and predicate in the following sentences. The boy stood on the last bench. Just type. I am
Boy
not
is the
going to
subject
unmute all
and
of you.
rest
The boy
is
is
the
subject
predicate.
and
boy
is
stood
the
on the last bench is predicate. Subject and stood on the last bench is predicate.
The boy stood on the last bench. The boy
Boy
stood
is
on the
subject
last
and the
bench.
rest is
This
predicate.
sentence is telling us about the boy. So subject is the boy here.
Subject and the rest of are predicate.
First of all, silence. If I will ask you which word is subject, some of you say boy. Okay, you don't have to say single boy. You have to say the boy is subject and stood on the last bench is predicate. The singing of the birds make me happy.
The bird thing is
Subject and the rest is predicate.
The singing of the birds. इतना बड़ा subject है ये.
and the rest is predicate.
The singing of the birds. ये subject है. इतना बड़ा subject है ये. The singing of the birds. And makes me happy. This is predicate. Next is a good boy passed the examination.
A good boy is subject and the rest is predicate.
Very good. A good boy is the subject and passed the examination, that is predicate. Next is it is very hot. It is subject and is very hot is the predicate.
Very hot is predicate.
Okay.
Hot is subject and
The cow gives us milk.
The cow is subject and gives us milk is predicate.
Okay.
And rest are predicates.
Very good. Next is the earth revolves round the sun.
The earth is subject and is rest as predicate.
The rest is predicate.
Very good. Typing is also done by many of the students. Very good. Next is Edison invented the phonograph.
addition.
Addition.
is
Only tell me the subject.
Rest are predicates.
Listen everyone. Only tell the subject. Okay. Delhi is the capital of India.
Delhi.
Delhi. Very good. We cannot make the ocean dry.
Ocean.
No. We.
The ocean. The ocean.
We the subject. Okay. Next is no man can serve two masters. No man.
Masters.
Okay. Here you don't have to make too much noise. You will have to add here subject of your own choice, which will be suitable over here. Dash bark at night. The dogs you have to write. Plural लिखना है आपने. Dog. Listen here.
The dog bark at me.
Dog नहीं, dogs. अगर बार्क में एस लगा होता तब हम डॉग लिखते, लेकिन बार्क में एस नहीं लगा है तो हम लोग डॉग्स लिखेंगे. ओके. यहाँ देखो सेट में एस लगा है. डैश सेट्स इन द वेस्ट.
The sun.
The sun, not sun. The sun. Dash gives us milk.
The cow.
The cow gives us milk. देखो एक चीज आप थोड़ा शांत होके सुनो बच्चों, बिल्कुल शांत होके सुनो. सेट में एस लगा है, जिसमें एस लगा होगा तो उससे पहले सिंगुलर आ जाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट. डैश फ्लाई इन द एयर.
The bird fly in the air.
Birds.
The bird.
क्योंकि fly में
Birds
नहीं लगा।
fly in the air.
Birds fly in the air.
Bird.
The bird.
The bird.
Dash
The birds
sleep
fly
on
in
the
the
roof at night. Here you will write only those words which can be suitable with sleep because there is no s added with sleep. Sleep के साथ s नहीं लगा है तो यहाँ पे I use कर सकते हैं आप, we use,
I sleep on the roof.
and plural words you can use. Next,
We.
7th में सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड आएगा, कौन सा? I am, because
I am
am
in a
के साथ
hurry.
only I आता है, not any other word. Dash opens at 10 o'clock in the morning.
School opens. School opens.
Again here, you will have to write the school. Schools नहीं लिखना आपने, school. Next,
Office.
office opens, the school opens, the factory opens. Okay. Dash are playing football.
Playing football.
Children are.
The players are playing football. The boys are playing football. The girls are playing football. We are playing football. Very good. They are playing football. Dash greeted with a sweet smile.
My friend
Very
me
good.
with a sweet.
हाँ, जिसने भी my friend बोला है, I was also thinking my friend. My friend greeted me with a great sweet smile. Okay. Staff greeted me with a great sweet smile. Now you have put subject over here. Now you will have to add predicate. अभी तक आपने subject add किया था. Now you have to add predicate. Put a suitable predicate. The moon
Looks beautiful.
the moon looks beautiful. The moon is round. The moon revolves around the
Sun.
The moon is bright in the sky.
The moon comes at night.
Earth. The sun is hot.
Rises in the east. Is hot.
The
Is the
crow
hottest star.
very good. The
The
crow
hottest planet.
The crow sitting on the branches of flies in air.
the crow is sitting on the tree.
Crow is flying in the sky.
The crow is flying in the sky.
The
Very
moon revolves around.
dogs
Bark at night.
dogs bark at night.
The rose is red.
The rose is red. The rose smells sweet.
Sweet.
Colorful.
Okay, the rose is colorful. Very good. Stars
Twinkle at night.
stars twinkle at night.
Stars twinkle at
Stars are
night.
twinkling. Delhi
Twinkle at night. Delhi comes in the
Delhi. Very
Delhi is
good,
the
very
capital
good.
of
Delhi is
India.
the capital of India. Cows give us milk. The
Milk.
door is open. The pail is ringing the bell. Now, we have 10 minutes now. So let's clear. What is a declarative sentence? First of all, I am making it clear. We have read assertive sentences. Assertive sentence पढ़ा है ना हमने?
Yes, ma'am.
That is also known as declarative sentences.
Declarative sentence.
Whenever we speak something in a declaring way, in a simple sentence, that is known as declarative sentence. A declarative sentences simply make a statement or expresses an opinion. It makes a declaration. मतलब, I am going to school, they are coming to my house. I am just declaring, I want to be a good writer. Makes a statement.
We are going to
My friend is really a good writer.
Aman visit his grandmother's house during holiday.
Very good. You are declaring something. You are making simply some statements. Okay. So the statements or assertive sentences ends with which punctuation marks? किस punctuation mark से assertive sentences खत्म होते हैं?
Negative sentence.
Full stop.
Very good. That is full stop. Okay. Now come here, second type of sentence. What is an interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences is a question that is in both WH question and yes no question.
Yes, no.
Yes,
An interrogative sentence asks a question. This type of sentence offer begins with who, what, where, when, why, how, or do, and it ends with
What
a
is your name?
Question mark.
question mark.
Question
Okay.
Question mark.
So here some of the examples have been given of exclamatory sentences. Here. When are you?
Where are you going, Ram?
I'm going to turn in your
What is your
writing
name?
assignment. Do you know what the weather will be tomorrow? Oh, what the weather will be tomorrow? Can you tell me which one is yes no question?
Second one is yes, no question.
Second one.
Second
Yes, no
one is
question.
yes no question, because the answer will be either in yes or in no.
No.
So when you were in class 5, there you have read one more type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Have you remembered that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
उसमें क्या होता है? What type of sentence is that?
Imperative sentence is a type of sentence that gives instruction, idea, command, order, or request.
Very
For
good.
example, may I now for playing?
No, example is not that. Example is that
You have to do that work.
no. Do
Ma'am,
that
that-
work.
Quiet in the
Stand
class.
ऐसे करना है आपने. Do
Stand
that
up.
work. Sit down. Come here. Please give me
Quiet.
your pen. The sentence begins with verb only. Verb से ही sentence शुरू होता है. Don't go there. Come here. Sit down. Turn right. Turn left. Are you getting my point? So that was imperative sentence. You have gone through that in class 5. But we have to read only 3 types of sentences in class 7. That was assertive, interrogative, and that is third one is here.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentences. A sentence that expresses great emotion such as excitement, surprise, happiness, anger,
Wow.
and ends with which mark?
Excited.
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamatory
It
mark.
ends with an exclamatory mark. Here some example. It is too dangerous to climb that mountain. मतलब sudden
What
feeling
a
of fear.
beautiful day.
I got an A on my book report. The sudden feeling of excitement, happiness. Now tell me,
Else you have
name the type
failed.
of sentences. First one. Please let me work.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive
No.
sentence.
ये कमांड दे रहा है. That you have read in class 5.
sentence.
Imperative sentence.
Imperative
Next.
sentence.
The boys make a noise.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive
Assertive
sentence.
sentences. Stand up.
Imperative
Imperative
sentence.
sentence.
Imperative sentence. What a clever girl you are.
Interrogative sentence.
Interrogative नहीं,
sentence.
exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory
Exclamatory
sentence.
sentence.
Where do you live?
Interrogative sentence.
Interrogative sentence.
Interrogative sentence.
WHO question. WHO question.
WH question. Very good. What a horrible sight it was.
Exclamatory sentence.
First of all,
Exclamatory sentence.
let me make you one thing clear. जब मैं आपको ये वर्कशीट दूंगी ना घर में करने के लिए, तो कैसे आपको इसको बोलना है वो भी आप घर में प्रैक्टिस करोगे. क्वेश्चन को कैसे बोलना है, एक्सक्लेमेटरी को कैसे बोलना है. What a clever girl you are. Where do you live? What a horrible sight it was. My father is
What a beautiful day. I am angry.
Now tell me,
Assertive
which type of
sentence, my
sentence is
father.
this? My father is a bank employee.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive. Children like sweets.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Who is at the door?
Interrogative sentence. WHO question.
Don't make a noise. Which type of sentence is this?
Interrogative.
Imperative sentence.
Interrogative.
Imperative sentence. Okay.
Imperative.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Now final हम पहुंच गए हैं. We have less time. Any time the meeting can be concluded. Okay. किसी भी time meeting बंद होगी इसलिए हम जल्दी कर रहे हैं इसको. A simple sentence has the most basic element that make it a sentence. Simple sentence में एक subject होता है और एक verb होता है. Okay. And that is if there are two subject and two verbs, it means there are two sentences. And when there are two sentences, what we call that sentences?
Compound sentence.
Clause.
अच्छा, sorry.
अगर हम बोलेंगे एक ही सेंटेंस में दो सेंटेंस हो तो we can't say एक ही सेंटेंस में दो सेंटेंस. What we will say? There are two dash in one
Compound.
sentence.
Clause.
There are two
Clauses.
clauses in one
Clauses.
sentence. और उन दोनों clauses को हम लोग किससे जोड़ते हैं?
Conjunction से.
कंजंक्शन से. और जब जोड़ देते तो क्या बन जाता है?
Compound.
Compound
Compound
sentence.
sentence. Okay. अगर सेंटेंस एक ही है, जो waited for the train, that is simple sentence. If there are two sentences in a single sentence, तो हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे एक सेंटेंस में दो सेंटेंस है, हम बोलेंगे there are two clauses in a single sentence.
Clauses.
Okay.
In a sentence.
So these all are simple sentences. अगर यहाँ बोलेंगे कि Mary and Samantha, ma'am here and has come, so it will compound sentence. Is it so? No. This is not compound sentence. Okay, this is also simple sentence. Compound sentence, always there are two or more than two subjects and verb. शुरू में noun और एक subject होता है, उसके साथ verb होता है. But if there are two clauses, we will join it with conjunction, and that will be, it will be converted into compound sentences. Simple sentences worksheets. Here again. Here. Make compound sentences. बनाइए इसका. I called her many times. Dash she didn't answer the phone. Which conjunction you will use here? But. Very good. Very good. Next. Okay, listen here. He is intelligent and honest. And honest. The answer will be and honest. Next is, if the meeting will be ended, I will provide you with these worksheets. Collect it from Snap Homework. Okay. So, next is,